BIS Infotech.
We welcome you, Vidushi.
Thank you so much. So the first question is, can you provide insights about the products that you are showcasing in Convergence 2024?
So basically, we are an internet service. Network services are one of the product line that we have in the bouquet of the products that we have. So here it is about network services, specific about that. So we have around for franchisee business that is going on. So that is showcased out here, and we provide services to the ISP, that are the internet service providers, who in turn provide services to their customer. So that is the actual showcasing that is happening in the Convergence.
Okay. So can you provide an overview of Ishan Technologies' ambitious expansion plans globally and how the company envisions positioning itself in the international market?
Okay, so it is 23 years down the line that we have started our journey. So it was around in 2001 that it started with system integration, that then we came into network services, and now we are expanding and increasing our services to data center and coming up into cloud services, and next would be the security services. So we are launching a data center in this month and in Mumbai. So which is having the highest number of data centers across India. Post that we are planning to start up in Chennai, and then in the GIFT City, which is the biggest buzz around India right now. So that is the plan. And your question about, I think, global presence or something.
Yes,
that
the
you said.
international presence.
International. So we have already partnered with AWS and Google to provide cloud interconnect services to our enterprise customers. So it's not directly into the global footprints or global market, but then we are trying to bring services in India from the global partnerships that we're doing.
Okay, that's great. So, in the rapidly evolving technology landscape, what is Ishan Technologies' growth outlook for 2024? And are there specific areas or markets that the company is targeting for 2024?
Yeah, so 24, as I said you, that we are coming up with a data center in this
Yes.
month. So that will be the first biggest thing that it will be a tier 3 certified data center.
Congratulations for that.
Thank you so much. And that would be coming up with, and that is the main thing that we are launching. Post that, as I said, it is in Chennai also. We are coming up with a data center. So it is basically a career hotel that we are trying to build up in a data center, which will be a transit and a connect that will be provided through that data center.
Yes.
And it will give us more reach to our customers, and we'll be able to provide better connectivity to them. That is the major growth plan, and we have already declared that we'll be increasing the number of employees strength around 250% within next 3 years. So my major this thing would be to recruit them, have more talent acquisition, nearly about 85% that will be done in this year, which will segregated across in the 3 years. So 85 to 100% will be in this year itself. And being a technology company, we'll have to give proper training and development to them. So I, heading HR in my organization, I will be definitely taking care of proper recruitment, talent acquisition, training and development, so that whatever plan that company is having about increasing its technology edge will be sufficed only if proper recruitment is done and proper training and development is done to them. And then definitely people will have to be glued to the company. So that is the major thing that I, as a finance and an HR head, would like to do.
Okay. So, with the surge of data centers in India, could you share insights into Ishan Technologies' role in this burgeoning landscape and the company's contributions to the development of data infrastructure?
Yeah, so right now we are already connected to 25 different locations of data centers that have been that are kind of edge data centers, which we have built for giving connectivity to the customers. And definitely we are coming up with 3 more data centers that will help us connect to our customers more, reach out to them more, and provide better connectivity to them. So that is what we are, because right now I suppose there are 151 data centers in India, and definitely there is a lot of scope wherein we'll be able to put into this, and definitely people would not be readily available to invest more into infrastructure and this all thing. So now we are moving towards cloud. Now
Yes,
people are moving towards co-location. Initially we were we did not have that openness to go towards those services present in the organization, but now we are coming up with that, and we see a change in the market also, that people are opting for these kind of services. So definitely I feel that there is a lot more to go ahead.
Yes, there's a lot of growth.
Yeah.
So Ishan Technologies has set ambitious goals aiming for a turnover surge from 353 crores to 500 crores. So could you elaborate on the key strategies and initiatives that the company plans to implement?
Yeah, so retail we are doing in Gujarat only. Retail internet services we are providing in Gujarat. Yeah, so right now we are maintaining around 16,000 kilometers fiber of BharatNet that is already laid in Gujarat, and through that we are planning to develop more internet connectivity to the rural areas also. That is the retail part of it. Right now we are providing two different kind of industries. So if I tell you about education, we are present into 6 IIMs right now. So that is the biggest thing that I can. And Ahmedabad University and all. We have a very strong presence in the broking segment in Gujarat. So I can say nearly entire broking segment of Gujarat, like Marwaris, have been with us onboarded since a very long time, where connectivity is the biggest thing that you need to give, and they cannot afford a downtime of a single minute also. So we can proudly say that in Gujarat, entire broking segment is with us, and we proudly provide good services to it. So that is also there. I missed out on one of the other question that you said, and that correct.
The key strategies and
Yeah, so
initiatives.
that is what I spoke about. So then we are present in the government. So we have done around 15 smart city solutions also.
Smart cities.
Yeah, so Surat Smart City is an example of it. So we have provided Surat Smart City solution, wherein OFC has been laid out, and we are catering to 800 locations. MPLS services to them. Rajkot Smart City has also been done by us, wherein Control Credit Center has been developed by us, and we have provided them with camera services, wherein surveillance has been stronger enough by the services that we have given to them. So these are the two examples that we have done in government segment. I talked about enterprise, I talked about, and we have a strong presence in hospitality, like Momento's ITC that has come up in Udaipur. That is a biggest thing that we have done. Like that's in a very rural area, and people coming there would definitely be needing connectivity. So we did a bespoke solution for them, where we have done surveillance, we have provided internet connectivity, and everything from top to bottom has been designed by us for them. So that's an example of hospitality too.
So as a participant in the Convergence Expo, what specific offerings or solutions is the company showcasing, and how do these align with the broader industry trends?
So as I told you that in Gujarat only we are providing retail connections. Now here we are planning to expand our franchises so that we can increase our reach out through the franchises that are present across the nation. So right now we will be having more than 40-45 franchises, and through which we would be wanting to increase more of them, so that more and more retail customer base keeps on developing. And plus we are catering to the ISP segment also. So yeah, ISP segment. So whoever are certified by DOT, we provide connectivity to them, and in turn they provide connectivity to their end customers. So that is the whole idea about it. So it's increasing indirect reach to the customers through our extended arms that are there through ISP solution providers, and that are there through franchisee solutions.
Okay, that's really great. So in your role as the director of, I'm sorry, are you like the director of finance at Ishan Technologies? So was it some other person or you?
No, I am the director only who take care of finance.
Yeah, I was just confused. So, in your role as the Director of Finance at Ishan Technologies, how do you see the financial landscape evolving for the company, and what measures are being taken to ensure sustainable financial growth amidst the dynamic and competitive marketing conditions?
So if you see the last 2 years financials, we have done a tremendous growth of around 33% CAGR year over year. Yes, so that has been, and initially we have been a bootstrap company who has evolved by our own, with our own funding, but the kind of the growth that we have seen in the last 2 years is tremendous, and we are forecasting to end up 550 plus in this financial year also. So definitely in and out the way it is managed, has been, and you always say finance being in the hand of a lady would definitely get a better results, because I will always be on a balancing act and a note that whatever is my inflow should be my outflow. So that is we have always invested again and again into the organization, and that is giving this growth path to it. So definitely finance, I'm giving that female and a motherly touch to my finance. That is what I can say. That is a bespoke thing that I do for my organization. So that is how. But yes, the growth that we have achieved in the last 3 years definitely speaks about its own self. That how do we cater things around, and how do we manage our finances also.
Okay. So this interview was really insightful.
Thank you.